Hello traders, today is March 13th, 2015. This is the Binary Matrix Pro Trade by Trade video diary. Let's get started. All right, our first signal for today is going to be on a call on Aussie dollar. And let's see. Now, for our first timers, a call signal means we're looking for the price to go up. For now, the price is above our strike rate where we entered the trade, and that means it's going to be a win, $34 in the bank. We got a put signal up next. Euro dollar is the currency. With a put signal, we're going to be looking for the price to go down. Our strike rate 114. All right, so we entered this trade at 114. That's our strike rate. And with a put position, meaning the price needs to go down for us. The price right now, 109, but it is starting to climb back up. We caught it in time. That's a $34 win. We've got a put signal on Aussie dollar up next. And position approved. Back to check our put position on Aussie dollar. Everything looking really good so far on this trade. Price clearly below the strike rate. That's another win. We got a put signal on dollar yen up next. $20 investment here would yield a $33 payout. $20 is the most we can lose. Let's see. All right, just about 3 seconds left on the clock there for our put option. We're below our strike rate for this and that means good. And there we go, $33. We got a call signal on Aussie dollar up next. 845 is our strike rate. Here we go. All right, eventually this had to happen. We are about to lose for the first time today and end our winning streak. There it is, a loss. We got a call signal on the Swissy up next. Here we go. All right, back to check on our call position on the Swissy. Things looking pretty good for us so far. We're about 5 pips above our strike rate, and that is plenty for a win. There's $34. We got a put signal on euro dollar up next. 063 is where we're going to be. All right, about 20 pips below our strike rate, and that is fantastic news. So we're looking at another win. There it is, $34. We got a call on Aussie dollar up next. Here we go. Last few seconds on this call. Aussie dollar, the currency, and we have exited the trade. The price above the strike rate, that's a win. We got a call on dollar yen up next. Let's see. All right, just a few more seconds left on this one. We have now exited that position. And well ahead of the game at the time. So there's a $33 win. We've got a put signal on Aussie dollar. And here we go. Back to check our put option on Aussie dollar. Price has moved in our direction, and that's a $34 win. We've got a call on dollar Canadian up next. Here we go. Last seconds of our trade. Trading 60-second binary options with Binary Matrix Pro. This one is a $34 win. All right, up next is a put on Euro Dollar. And I just do $20 every single time. That way I know $20 is the most I can lose on any trade. All right, we've got a put signal here, and that means we're looking for the price to go down. You can see on the chart there that it has, and that's a $34 win. We've got a call on British pound dollar up next. Here we go. All right, looks like the market has definitely gone in the opposite direction, and this will be our second loss for today's session. There it is. All right, guys, we've got a call signal on dollar yen now, and let's act on that. See if we can get in quickly, and we're at 466. All right, back to check on our call position. Dollar yen is the currency. Entered this trade at 466. We're now 2 pips above that, but that's all that it takes, folks. Just 1 pip in the right direction with these binary options. That's $33 in the bank. We've got a call on the Swissy up next. And we're in. All right, last few seconds of this call, and the market obviously going in the opposite direction. And this is loss number 3 for today's trading session. All right, we've got a call signal on Aussie dollar up next. Looks like we may have lost our data feed. Let's see what happens. All right, last few seconds on this one. Each trade lasting only 60 seconds. We have lost our data feed, so no way to predict. We'll just wait and see what happens. That's a win, $34. Up next is a put signal on dollar yen. $20 investment here would yield a $33 payout. Let's see. All right, we've got our data feed back, so looking good on this one. Right now, 1 pip, $33. We've got a put signal on the Swissy up next. Here we go. All right, last few seconds here, and looking good. Price clearly below the strike rate. There we go, $34. We've got a call on British pound dollar, and position approved. Last few seconds of our call on British pound dollar. This trade is going to be a winner. There we go, $34. We've got a call on dollar Canadian up next. And looks like our strike rate, come on, 274. Now, this trade right here entered at 274. We are now out, and we're below that. So this is going to be loss number 4 for today's trading session. Our next trade is a put on euro dollar. And getting some delays here at the end here. 114 is our strike rate. All right, last few seconds of our put option on euro dollar entered at 114, current price 0.87. That's fantastic. That's a $34 win. We've got a call on dollar yen up next. Binary Matrix Pro sending us automated signals. All right, look at the chart there. You can see dive in the price, and it turned around right when Binary Matrix Pro said it would. And that is going to translate into a $33 win. That's 18 wins, 4 losses, only 4 losses. That's going to be it for me and for this week. Have a good weekend.